Um, so this has been going on. Yeah, it's been going on since Sunday.
Right, and yeah, I'm Mike Tedesco. I live here at 23 Howard Parkway. Yes, Sunday night we got 7 feet of water in the basement, and I have no idea where it came from, and I don't think it had to do directly with the storm. It came out of the overflow from the lakes that sort of flooded everything. So, and we're trying to clean it up without losing stuff. There's valuable stuff here that belongs to the religious program.
Oh, is that right?
It's for 40 years for the youth ministry for the 5 Catholic churches of New Rochelle. We were trying to put together a slideshow for the 45th and 50th anniversaries, and they got caught. And then I have
no hope of salvaging that.
Some of these we're going to work on. Some of they're here, and I didn't. You know, these go back. They go back to 1965, some of these things.
Oh, no.
So, 1965 to here we are, 2007. So it's a history of thousands and thousands of kids in New Rochelle. So we need to try to salvage most of them. I picked them up one by one today. Spent all morning doing that.
So where did you took them out of these bags here, or you have them inside?
Inside. You can go in the basement and take a look.
Can I go in and take a look? This organization is connected with what, Mike?
It's the youth ministry program for the 5 Catholic churches of New Rochelle. Or now it's 3 Catholic churches that participate, but at the time they were 5.
Does Holy Family participate?
Not anymore, they used to. They have their own youth ministry.
Oh, man, my heart goes out to you. I don't know how you deal with this.
You have no choice.
Oh. How long have you lived here, Mike?
30 years.
And nothing like this ever happened before?
This has never happened before. Want to take a picture of my books?
Oh, my God.
All the books that needed to be reviewed and donated to the library.
Oh.
And a few that I would take to read when I retired. So these are the books. This is the book room. Well, that's James Michener, my favorite author.
Now, was it? These were on bookshelves, or
everything was high up. That this desk was up right here, and there were some shelves around here, and everything sank.
And everything because the water rose. Oh no! Oh.
This table was thrown. It was against the wall. This chair was thrown over. And down here was all the food, and here are the slides. I tried to pick them all up today. And we've got to see if we can get people to volunteer to take the slides, put them in the bags, and dry them out so we could salvage them to make a slideshow from them. See, you've got them there, you've got them here, you've got them here.
Give me your phone number on this tape,
okay,
so that I'll post this video up, and maybe I'll put it up also on YouTube, and maybe we can get some volunteers to help out.
All right, this is 632-6945, and this is the slide collection of 40 years of the religious program.
Oh, my
God. And your name?
Frank Sisco.
Hi, Frank Sisco. You're a New Rochellian?
Yes, I live on Mill Road.
Oh.
And I just heard about this today, so I just came down thinking I could maybe help out by taking video.
Affected though.
You weren't affected?
No, because my house is behind. I was looking down at Iona College, and there was a river behind me at Iona College. Because my house is on a hill on Dewey Avenue, we didn't get any water whatsoever.
Oh, lucky! Wow.
Yeah, very lucky, very fortunate.
Very lucky. So you're helping Mike?
Yes.
Mike with the slides.
My friend, and he wasn't in school today, which we both worked together, and I know he needed some assistance, so I came over.
Which school do you work together at?
New Rochelle High School.
Oh, is that right?
I'm a teacher, and he's a guidance counselor.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
That's where I know you from.
Oh, really?
That's where I know your face and name from. My daughter graduated from New Rochelle High School in like four years ago or so, and you've given very financial aid related, very effective presentations. Excellent.
Oh, thank you. This is Jane from
upstairs. Hi, Jane from upstairs. Sorry that you've been through this.
This happens, and then today with Con Edison. Everybody else has a Con Edison says they're going to come. They haven't come at all.
Because they were weren't they right up the road on at the command post?
the gas was turned off. In these 3 houses, we don't have gas, which means we cannot turn the heat on, the hot water, or even make a cup of tea.
What 3 houses?
The Gillinghams, us, and I think Tom Maloney said one of these houses.
Oh, I know.
You still don't have gas?
No.
Gas.
And they said this afternoon he went up to the command. I just went up there and the chief of the fire department said, oh, give them time, they'll come. I said, but they said they'd be here before 5. They haven't showed up yet. I mean, it's, you know, nothing dries if you can't have heat.
On my way out, I'll ask them again. What's the number here?
23 houses.
23? Oh. Okay.
Aren't you glad you got this running to me?
Best of luck.
I am not a happy camper. Thank you.
I can imagine. Okay. I'll see you, Bob.
Thanks.
Bye, Bob. Bob Montoliano.